President-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu don tok am say administration go put ogbonge policies in place wey go make corruption no dey attractive again for judges and oda Naija workers. Tinubu come tok am say the temptation for corruption go reduce no be small, especially when you put some ogbonge working atmosphere and policies wey go make workers get some credit faculties for their needs. The President-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu tok this one during the inauguration of Justice Tinubu Magistrate Court Complex for Port Harcourt for Rivers State. The event na part of the 2 days visit to the state to inaugurate projects wey the Nyesom Wike government put for ground.
This is the way to fight corruption. You don't expect your judges. I have been contributing very well to this. You don't expect your judges to live in squalor, to dispense justice in squalor. This is part of the changes that the census street. In our policy think tank, we must fight corruption, and we definitely must look at the other side of the coin. If you don't want your judges to be corrupt, you got to pay attention to their welfare. We don't want our judges to play foul, to compromise justice. Not just the books, but do something. I promise you, we are going to review all of this in a policy think tank.
The Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike Konchukma for the matter say make the people wey go operate the facilities they maintain them and make sure say everything dey in good shape.
My problem is not this anything. My problem is the maintenance. Because I feel so bad that you do a structure like this, and those who are responsible for it, you come back here in the next 6 months, you ask yourself, why did I even embark upon this? Beautiful as it is, I hope in the next 6 months, it will still be like this. Most people complain, no money, no money, no money. Even the little you are giving, you don't want to use it and do the right thing. Just like when we handed over the law school to the Council of Legal Education, the state government gave out 400 million naira. Look, put it in our account for the maintenance of the structure. We give them properties where they can use to make money to keep the school. We don't want a situation where they will say, oh, the federal government have not released money. The money they release is too small. Okay, let the federal government be paying your salary. Take this to maintain the school. I was told the other day that there was no light. There was no water. I said, I can't understand our system.
Make una no forget say May 29 na inauguration of Naija new administration wey be by the special grace of God go pilot the affairs of the country for another 4 years. This na TMC TV and radio na the ogbonge online station wey dey sama Naija and obodo oyibo ogbonge update as we see am na so we dey talk am. Make una carry waka enter TMC TV for Facebook page, Instagram, YouTube, TMC Radio for Inside Radio Garden. Na una girl A. Carter Ojeseli na carry this story come give una from Port Harcourt.